His son was with him.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I understood all his conversation. Very good. Grammar all correct. Very good. He tried to use everything we had learned. Just a few things, the pronunciation. Now let's see the pronunciation. One is this one. So for everyone actually. So okay, so this one, how to pronounce? Thank you. 孩子 Remember, because you said 孩子 You know why? Because you try to pronounce E. Ignore E. That's why just 孩子 Yes, easy, 孩子 And this one also ignore E. Yes, 喜欢 Because if you try to pronounce E, sounds not correct. So 喜欢 This one 是孩子喜欢 Now correct, yes. Again, this one the same. Actually, all these, the problem, you try to pronounce E. That's why not correct, okay? This one 是 Yes, 四 Not C. Not, if you try to say E, sounds like this one. So, not, okay? Just 四 Yeah, 四 So this one 是14 Okay, this one 四 14 This one 14 Now, okay, yes, okay. So for everyone, so this word with E, remember the exception, right? So ignore E, okay? So this one 是孩子 not 孩子 No, 孩子 Yeah, 孩子 Because it's exactly this one 字 That's why 孩子 That's why this is 四 Not C, E, no E Just 14 Okay, this is the 4 This is the 14 Other 很好 Very good Yes Okay, next one Yeah
It's also a conversation.
Yes. Okay, when you make conversation, you just tell us beginning. When you read, you don't need to say A, B, A, B. Then we confuse. you just continue, okay? Okay, now listen. Shh. Yes.
你好，早上好。你好，你好吗？我很好。你叫什么？我叫我的。你是中国人吗？我不是中国人，我是澳洲人。你有太太吗？我有太太，她是工程师。你有孩子吗？我有2个孩子。你要喝什么？我要喝咖啡。我们这没有咖啡，我要喝水。谢谢，再见，谢谢。
Wow, yes. Yes. Because actually he didn't follow the class from very beginning. That's why he didn't learn pinyin. It's a little bit hard for him to do the pronunciation. But you made this 90% correct. Very good. Grammar fine. So because you join the class since we studied the grammar, so grammar fine, pronunciation. Okay, now look for everyone. Okay, so, and one more. So you use this word so we can learn. Okay, so now pronunciation. Okay, here. This one how to say? Yes, pronunciation is 知, so it's 中国人 Yeah, 中国人 pronunciation 是中 Okay, another one again. 老师 Yes, so because you said my 太太 is 工程师 the same 师 Okay, pronunciation is 师工程师 the same 老师 Yes, so it's 师 Yes, so 师 like Okay, now the new word because every time when we have class I also use this one. Good morning. What's the meaning? Okay, so 早上 means morning. 好 it's good, like 你好 so 好 means good. 早上是 morning, so actually we say morning good means good morning. And in the office, people usually use the short one, the same like English. Yes, in the morning, go to work because usually people hurry. People say morning, morning, right? So the same. So then Chinese only use one word, 早. Yeah, in the office, people usually say 早, 早. Yes, and the complete one 是早上好. So how to read? When you read, you put 早上 together quickly. So okay, how to say like 早上好. Yeah, one more time. 早上好. Yes, you put 早上 together. Then clear. 早上好. Yes. 早上 means morning. Later, when we learn time word, we will use a lot. Okay? Yes. Okay, next person. Homework. Yes.
你好，我叫 Bernie。早上好 ，Bernie。我叫 Emma。你要吃什么？我要披萨。你要喝什么？我要喝可乐。好的。多少钱？80块，谢谢。
Very good. Yes. Very clear. One pronunciation. This one. Yes. So again, because the E problem. So this pronunciation is 吃。你要吃什么？我要吃披萨。So the pronunciation not 吃 not no E. So 吃 yeah 吃 yes 吃 other good yes okay next yes
你好，老公，你要吃什么？
你好，老婆，我要吃披萨，你要吃什么？
我也要吃披萨。Oh, sorry. 你要喝可乐吗？
我不喜欢可乐，我要喝水。你要喝什么？
我要喝绿茶。
很好。
Finish good yes they are couple they made this conversation very nice They first they say 你好老公,你好老婆. They use the word for 老婆,老公. Yeah, we learn for wife, husband, we have few options, right? Yeah, you can choose. All correct. You can choose which one you like or easy for you to remember you can use, right? For wife, you can say 太太, 老婆 or 妻子. For husband, you can say 丈夫, 老公, 先生, okay. Which one you like easy, so you use. Very nice. Good. Yes. Also pronunciation good. Yes, this couple pronunciation good. Okay, next.